Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a video today talking to you about some of the niches that are trending on merch right now that you can get into to hopefully start making you some sales. So the first niche that I want to talk about today is the I dissent niche. This is a play off the Ruth Ginsburg quote. It's trending right now because of what's going on with the Roe v. Wade and the women's reproductive rights, which is just a very popular niche right now, probably the best niche on print on demand as to date. As I said, the niche is I dissent, and you can see they have some really low BSRs, and a lot of them are very new. So like this one right here was just uploaded on June 25th, and a lot of them seem to be uploaded on June 25th. This one right here as well, this one, and this one. So this is definitely a niche that I would recommend that you get into. I went ahead and took a look at the trademark. You can see it looks good. Me personally, the way I'm doing this niche, just to stay on the safe side, is I'm avoiding just using the word Ruth Ginsburg because I don't like using people's names. I'm very paranoid when it comes to merch, so I'm just going to keep it real simple and just use I dissent and maybe some other like Roe v. Wade keywords or women's reproductive rights keywords, things like that. And when we look on Etsy, because I also like to sell on Etsy, you're going to see that this niche is also very low in competition. There's only 2,000 results. So I'm definitely putting t-shirts up on Etsy as well. So this is the first niche, and let's get into the next one. Okay, so the second niche is going to be Abort the Court, and this is also a play off of the Roe v. Wade women's reproductive rights niche. So the niche is Abort the Court, and again, we're going to see that there's some t-shirts here with some really low BSRs, and a lot of them are new as well. So this one was just uploaded on June 27th. It's sitting at a 130 BSR ranking, so that's really good. And then all of these are also have been uploaded just a few days ago, sitting at very low BSRs as well. So this is another really good niche to get into. If we take a look at it on Etsy, we're going to see that there's barely any competition for this niche. And a lot of the products that I'm seeing, there's only a few that say Abort the Court. So I definitely think on Etsy this phrase could do very well. And then let's just double check to make sure that it's safe. So Abort the Court, hit enter, and we see that nothing pops up. So this is the second niche, Abort the Court. Get into this niche. Pretty simple. You could just use some text designs, as you can see here. Maybe use some graphics from Vexels or something like that. But that is the second niche. All right, so the next niche is going to be another women's reproductive rights niche. That's what's popular right now. And the phrase for this niche is stars, stripes, and reproductive rights. This niche, or this phrase, seems to be doing very well, some really low BSRs. So I would highly recommend that you get some designs up for this niche or for this phrase. We're going to see, like I said, lots of low BSRs and lots of t-shirts that have been uploaded just in a few days that are already rocking and making lots of sales. Let's double check the trademark to make sure that we're good to go. So here is stars, stripes, and reproductive rights. Let's hit enter, see if anything pops up. Looks like we're good to go. And when we check on Etsy, there's barely any competition for stars, stripes, and reproductive rights shirt. Only 736. So again, definitely want to get your shirts up on Etsy as well. And that is the third niche for this video. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look to see how my sales are going. So it's 10:23 in the morning, and so far I got one sale. Good thing it was a hoodie because it paid out a nice $12, almost 13 bucks. So that's a nice royalty. And today is July 1st. Let's just see how we did for the month of June. You're going to see that I sold 193 t-shirts with a total of $588 in royalties. And my best t-shirt had 37 sales. This was kind of like a Father's Day t-shirt. That's why I think it did very well. So that's how I did for merch. And then let's go ahead and take a look at Etsy. So I have two Etsy shops. This is my t-shirt shop. And we're going to see that, well, let's go to today. So today I do not have a sale yet. Yesterday I had 5. Now this is not profit. This is just revenue. All right. And then let's take a look just to see how I did for the last month. And usually I do a little better than this. Actually, in May I did almost double this. So I had a big decrease in sales, down to 2,000. If we go to like this year, you're going to see that the month before was actually really well. So yeah, right here, 4,500. I was on a big up streak, and then it kind of dropped down. So not too sure what happened. Hopefully things will pick back up. And let's go ahead and take a look at my second shop where I sell printables. So this was, let's go to today. I don't think I have a sale yet, but yesterday I did pretty good. I had 3 sales. Now this is all profit. These are digital downloads, printables. And if we go to the last month, or just go to the last 30 days, I actually had a really good month. This was my best month ever for this shop. This is all profit. Now I do ads, so I'm spending I think like $1 or $2 a day, so you can minus out $30 or $60 from here. But if we go to this year, we're going to see that this was my best month ever. So I did really well in the shop, so that's good. So that's kind of going to make up for the bad sales that I had on my Etsy shop this month. So I just wanted to show you that. So now I just want to talk to you about some services and some affiliate links that I offer. The first one is a Etsy critique or an Etsy audit of your shop. People seem to really like this gig. I basically do a very detailed critique of your Etsy shop. You're going to see I have 170 orders or reviews, and they're all very positive, all 5 stars except for 3. People leave me these long paragraph reviews talking about how happy they are with my service. So if you have an Etsy shop and you want me to critique it, I'll leave the link down for you. I also do SEO for Etsy listings as well. So you get a revised title and you get 13 optimized tags. That one's got 25 reviews so far. I also have some courses on Skillshare. So if you are a member with Skillshare, you might want to check out some of these courses. One is on Redbubble, Fiverr SEO, Etsy SEO, and then Etsy Success. The best selling one right now, or the most watched one with the most students, is this Selling on Etsy, Everything You Need to Know to Set Up Your Etsy Shop for Success. So if you're interested in those, I'll leave a link in the description. And then if you need a place to find graphics, this is where I find my graphics from. Vexels will be an affiliate link in the description. And then if you want to know how I fulfill my t-shirt orders on Etsy, I use Printful. I absolutely love Printful. I think they do a really good job. And I'll leave an affiliate link down there as well. All right, so thanks for watching this video. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.